Mastering Linux starts with one simple truth. Everything is a file. Learn how to control files and you unlock the power to control the system. Let's dive in and see the commands that make it happen. The first command is touch. This creates an empty file or updates the timestamp if the file already exists. Use it when you just need a blank file without adding content yet. For example, running touchnotes.txt creates a new file called notes, which starts out empty. This is a simple text editor inside the terminal. It's perfect for writing multiple lines or editing configuration files. For example, nano-text. This opens the file and you can start typing right away. When you're done, save with Ctrl+O and exit with Ctrl+X. Now let's look at echo. By default, echo prints text to the terminal, but you can also use it to write into files. For example, echo hello world prints the text directly in the terminal. But if we run echo my first note greater than notes.txt, it creates a file called notes.txt containing that line. And if we run echo another line double arrows notes.txt, it appends text to the file without deleting the old content. A common mistake here, remember that using a single greater than sign, this will overwrite the file. Use double arrows if you want to append instead. Finally, let's look at cat. This command displays the contents of a file directly in the terminal. For example, catnotes.txt shows everything inside that file. With cat command, you can also read multiple files at once or merge different files. Use cat for concatenating streams or inspecting small files. For viewing large files interactively, always prefer a pager like less to avoid terminal overload. Now I have two files, file 1 and file 2. To merge them into a new file, I use cat file 1 file 2 greater than new file. The single arrow means create. And here's the result. This creates the new file with the combined content. While here, I already have two files, file 1 and file 2. Now, I want to add their content to an existing file. I use cat file 1 file 2, double arrow existing file. The double arrow means append, so nothing gets erased. And here's the result. The old content is still there, but with the new lines. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. If anything felt a little fast, I highly recommend rewatching the summary sections. That way, the commands will stick better. Don't forget to save this video so you can quickly come back whenever you need a refresher. With just a few simple commands, you now know how to create, edit, write, and read files in Linux. Keep practicing, and before you know it, these commands will feel second nature.